Good morning, reception. It's Miss Sanderson here, ready for your maths lesson. It is Wednesday, the 13th of January, and today we are going to be looking at heavier and lighter objects. Now, yesterday we had a look at what some different words meant, and we had a look at the word heavy, light, big, and small. Now, can you remember what all of those words mean? I'm sure you can. Now, today we are going to be looking at different objects and thinking, are they heavy or are they light? Let's have a look. Now, next up, I've got some balancing scales, and these are really helpful to measure and to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter, because when you put them on, the heaviest one goes down and the lighter one goes up, so it's really nice and easy to tell. Now, I've got a bit of a quiz here. This question says, which is heavier? Now, your options are a lunchbox or a tablespoon. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think, which one do you think is heavier? Okay, 5 seconds. Right, have you got your answer in your heads? Okay, now then, let's see, which one do we think is heavier? I think the lunchbox is going to be heavier. Oh, correct answer. Well done to anyone who picked the lunchbox. Let's try another one. Okay, which is lighter? Is it the school shoes or is it socks? Which one is lighter? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to have a think, okay? Perfect. Have you got your answers in your head? Now, let's see which one it is. I reckon the lighter one is going to be the socks. Perfect. Well done to anybody who picked the socks. Now then, let's have a look. Which is heavier? Okay. Are the stickers heavier or is the basketball heavier? Which one would be the heaviest? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to have a go, okay? Perfect. Now, have you got your answer in your head? I think it might be the basketball. Let's see. Correct. Well done to anyone who picked the basketball. I think that's definitely heavier than stickers. Okay, now this one it says, which is lighter? Is it the book or is it a piece of paper? Which one is lighter? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Perfect. Now, have you got your answers in your head? Okay, are you ready? I think the lightest one is going to be the paper. Well done to anyone who thought the paper was going to be lighter. You were correct. Now, which one is heavier? Is it a glue stick or is it a feather? Which one is going to be heavier? You've got 5 seconds again. Okay, which one do you think it is? I think it's going to be the glue stick. Correct answer. Well done to anyone who picked the glue stick. Now, the next question is, which is lighter? Okay, now your options are the hat or the laptop. Which one is lighter? You've got 5 seconds. Off you go. Perfect. Have you got your answer in your head? Let's see, which one's it going to be? Is it the hat or is it the laptop? I think the hat is lighter. Perfect. Correct answer. Now, this is the last one, I think. Which one is heavier? Is it the chair or is it the hair ribbon? Which one would be the heaviest one? You've got 5 seconds. Oh, now I think it is the chair. Correct answer. Well done, everybody. You did a superb job. Oh, we were definitely right. Here we go. Now I've got a big question for you here. If the object is bigger, does it mean it's always going to be heavier? Does it always have to be really, really big to be heavy? What do you think? No, not always. Because here I've got two objects. I've got a brick that's not that big, but it is quite heavy. And I've got a big cardboard hot box. So it's really big, but it's much lighter. It's not particularly heavy, it's lighter. Now, this is somebody that I'd like you to meet. Okay, we're going to watch this, listening carefully.
Good morning, reception. I am Miss Sanderson's cousin, Victoria, and I think my pony is lighter than my hat. What do you think?
Now, what do you think? Is Victoria correct? Is her hat lighter than her pony? Now, I'm going to leave you with that question to have a think, okay? Now, your challenge for today is, can you find some objects from around your house and pretend that you are those scales, okay? Now, you are going to lean either way, whichever one is the heaviest, you need to lean that way, okay? So you're going to find some different objects from around your house and pretend to be the human scales, okay? Now, I've roped in some of my family to help me to show you this, okay? So I've got my dad, who said that his stick was lighter than his tool that was in his hand. So he is lent the right way. And then we've got Harry, who said the dumper truck is heavier than his phone. I think he might be right there. The dumper truck is quite big and heavy. And finally, we've got Toby, who said the spade is lighter than the big digger. I think he might be right. Now, I'm really looking forward to seeing your different objects and you leaning either way, dependent on which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Okay, now have a lovely rest of your day and I will speak to you soon. Bye.